Today we will learn complementary angles and supplementary angles. Here, lines AB and CD are intersecting at point P. What do we call such lines? Think. Absolutely correct. We call such lines as intersecting lines. Angles are formed by the intersection of two lines. We measure the angle with the help of a protractor. Today we will learn two interesting concepts related to angles. Here, some figures are given. Out of these figures, 3 of them share a special relation, but the fourth one is different from the rest. Can you identify what that relation is? Pause the video and try to find the answer. Here, there are two angles in each figure. In the first figure, we see that sum of angle ABC and angle CBD is 50 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. In figure B also, we see that angle PQR plus angle ABC is equal to 63 degree plus 27 degree is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, if we talk of figure D, then angle DEF plus angle LMN is equal to 75 degree plus 15 degree is equal to 90 degree. In this way, if the sum of any two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles of each other. Now, by looking at the angles given in figure 3, can you tell if they are complementary angles or not? Think. Absolutely correct. Here, angle TUV plus angle VUW is equal to 25 degree plus 20 degree is equal to 45 degree, which is less than 90 degree. Therefore, this is not a complementary angle. In figure 1, angle ABC and angle CBD are complementary angles. When two angles are complementary angles, then each angle is called a complement of the other. Here, some figures are provided. Here also, there is a special relation between these three figures. Can you tell what that relation is? Pause the video and try. Here also, there are two angles in each figure. In figure A, we see that the sum of both the angles is 55 degree plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. In figure B, the sum of both the angles is 105 degree plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. In figure C also, the sum of both the angles is 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, if the sum of any two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles. If two angles such as angle 55 degree and angle 125 degree are supplementary, then each angle is called a supplement of the other. For instance, here angle 55 degree is the supplement of angle 125 degree, or we can also say that angle 125 degree is the supplement of angle 55 degree. Now, if you have understood the concept of supplementary and complementary angles, then can you tell among the given figures which figures are examples of complementary and supplementary angles? Are there any figures which are neither complementary nor supplementary? Pause the video and try. Let me explain this. Here, in figures A, C, F, the sum of angles of each one is 90 degree. Therefore, the angles mentioned in such figures are complementary to each other. In figure B and E, we see that the sum of its angles is 180 degree. Therefore, the angles represented in these figures are supplementary to each other. Addition of angles of figures D is 138 degree. Therefore, the angles in figure D are neither complementary angles nor supplementary angles. So now, you must have understood the concept of complementary and supplementary angles. Today, we have learned complementary angles and supplementary angles. In the next video, we will learn it with a few more examples. Today we will see examples of complementary angles and supplementary angles. Identify the correct and incorrect statements. Two acute angles can be complementary angles. In the previous video, we learned that if the sum of any two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles of each other. And if the sum of any two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles. On the basis of this, let's find out whether the given statement is correct or incorrect. If we divide a 90-degree angle and make two angles, then we will get acute angles. This means two acute angles can be complementary angles, therefore the given statement is correct. Two acute angles can be supplementary angles. Let's find out whether the given statement is true or false. Suppose angle A and angle B are acute angles. This means angle A is smaller than 90 degree and angle B is also smaller than 90 degree. If we add both the angles, then the sum of angle A and angle B will be less than 180 degree. With this, it is understood that two acute angles can never be supplementary angles. Therefore, the given statement is false. Two obtuse angles can be complementary angles. Let's find out whether the given statement is true or false. Suppose angle A and angle B are obtuse angles. This means angle A is greater than 90 degree and angle B is also greater than 90 degree. If we add both the angles, the sum of angle A and angle B will be greater than 90 degrees. With this, it is understood that two obtuse angles can never be complementary angles. Therefore, the given statement is false. Two obtuse angles can be supplementary angles. Can you tell whether the given statement is true or false? Think. Let me explain this. Suppose angle A and angle B are obtuse angles. This means angle A is greater than 90 degree and angle B is also greater than 90 degree. If we add both the angles, then the sum of angle A and angle B will be greater than 180 degree. With this, it is understood that two obtuse angles can never be supplementary angles. Therefore, the given statement is false. Remember, if one angle is acute and the other is obtuse, then their sum can be 180 degree, which means they can be supplementary angles. Two right angles can be complementary angles. As you would know that two right angles cannot be complementary because their sum is 180 degree, which is greater than 90 degree. Therefore, two right angles can never be complementary angles. Therefore, the given statement is false. Two right angles can be supplementary angles. If we add two right angles, then their sum is 180 degree. Therefore, two right angles can be supplementary angles. This means that the given statement is correct. By identifying the correct and incorrect statements, you would now know that two acute angles can be complementary angles of each other, but they cannot be supplementary angles of each other. Two obtuse angles can neither be complementary angles nor supplementary angles of each other. And two right angles cannot be complementary angles of each other, but they can be supplementary angles. So today, we have seen examples of complementary angles and supplementary angles.